Welcome to episode 8 of Old School Tech Tutorials. In this week's episode, I'm going to show you something very simple. Probably most of you know how to do this, but if you don't, you will probably want to know how to do this. So, if you are watching a video on a web page and the screen is too small and you say, I cannot see what you're clicking on and what I'm looking at, I need this to be larger. Two things you need to do. You need to maximize the screen. And second of all, you see this box right here at the bottom of the video? This is going to make this video full screen. Click there, and now you've got the full video. You just click play. Welcome to this week's episode. And so now to exit back to the web page and see a smaller version of this screen, click that same box, which is this right here on any video, and now you've returned to the typical size. Okay, that's all there is for this week's episode of Old School Tech Tutorials. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.